Hello everyone, today we are demonstrating a project on low-cost cloud storage. An individual owns many devices such as laptops, tablets, smartphones, and so on. A user wants that all of his data should be synchronized to a common repository. A common repository such as a cloud storage. A cloud storage services are provided by various platforms such as Google Drive, OneDrive, and so on. Google Drive charges rupees 8,500 for 1 TB of storage, and this charges annual. This charge has been recorded while making this video. And iCloud charges almost double. Thus, we have developed a low-cost cloud storage that has only one-time investment and that is less than the annual amount of the existing services.
To host our private cloud, first we need a hardware on which we will host our server so that we can accept and service the user request. So we are using a development board that is a Raspberry Pi. It has a Ethernet port from which it can connect to the internet, and it has USB port through which we can supply the external USB devices or external storage devices. The Raspberry Pi uh, runs on a Linux based OS, that is Raspbian OS. The OS is stored on the SD card. So first we have to supply a 5-volt power supply to the Raspberry Pi to make it running. Then we will connect our Raspberry Pi to the internet. In our Raspberry Pi, the red LED indicates the power supply, and the yellow and green LEDs indicate that it is connected to the internet and now ready to use. And to host our server, we are using a technology that is Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript framework that is based on the Google V8 engine. It is an asynchronous technology that is event driven. So it is a faster approach for. So we have hosted our cloud on the Raspberry Pi. Now we have to access it through a browser. First we will open a browser and we will type the IP address of a Raspberry Pi, that is a static IP address. Our our service is hosted on the port number 1337. This is the login page of our cloud. Only the registered users can access the cloud. So for startup, we have an admin account that has a password 123. So this is the main browser that browses through the files stored on the Raspberry Pi. These are all the local files stored on the Raspberry Pi. All these files can be accessed through this browser. We can browse to all the folders on it. And so if we want to create a new folder here, we can create by doing this. First we have to name the folder name and just click on this button. So a new folder is created here. This can be opened as well as redirected. Now if you want to upload a file to our cloud storage, first we have to select the files from our device from which we are accessing it. Now here various files are there. We will upload this PDF. Open and just click on the upload button. So it is now uploaded to our cloud. We can also delete. So this is the file that we have uploaded, and we can delete anything from it. Example, we are deleting this 002.pdf. Delete. so it is now deleted from our cloud, and we can open or download whatever we want from here. For example, so we have opened a document stored on our Pi. We can even save our document if we want. Just right click here and click on save link as. And all the file type that are not opened by a browser will be downloaded directly to our device. And now we will show you what how we can connect an external storage device to our cloud. Now we will display that how we can connect an external storage to our Raspberry Pi. We are using an 8 GB pen drive. We can use an external hard disk of any size that is available in the market. Raspberry Pi comes with two USB ports. We can use a USB hub to increase the amount of devices that can be connected. Now that we have connected an external storage device, we just have to reload our page so to see the device. So the folder here is the external storage device that we have connected. The name given to it is by default by the Linux OS. So we can browse and perform all the actions that I have shown before through it. Now we are going to access our storage from the internet. For this, we will require the external IP of the network to which the Raspberry Pi is connected. So you can see that we can access our Raspberry Pi or the cloud storage from over the internet. So as we can see, we can access our storage from over the internet just by typing the IP address of the network to which our Raspberry Pi is connected.